Hello everyone, today I want to show you how you can connect the Bluetooth wireless headset to your PC with simple easy steps. And to do this, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Bluetooth headset is turned on. And there's a power button over here that you can use to turn on your Bluetooth headset. This one right here. So just press on it for like 3 seconds and power on. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Power on. Bluetooth pairing mode. So my headset is turned on. The next step that you're gonna do is head over to your PC. You can either click on the Windows key and type settings, or just scroll with your mouse to the bottom and click on search icon and type settings, and here it is. Then from here, head over to Bluetooth and devices and click on add a new device. Head over to Bluetooth and devices. Then Bluetooth will automatically start looking for your device. And for my case here, for my headset, it's code 450BT. Click on it to connect. As you can see, it says connected successfully. Now my headset is connected successfully with Bluetooth to my PC, and I can now listen to audio via my headset. So it's a pretty simple step for you guys, and if you like content like this, guys, please remember subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video.